Businesses are very cost conscious now, and we found that there's really two ways to deal with insurance issues. There's one way, which is after the fact, which is actually quite expensive, dealing with claims. If it's a tough claim, you got to hire a law firm. That law firm we hope would be us. But nonetheless, you're going to have to pay that law firm, and you're going to have to foot that bill at least until the law firm can prevail in a bad faith suit to get that money back for you from the insurance company. When you compare what it's going to take to hire a law firm, to fix a claim, to deal with a policy language that's not perfect to begin with, and you compare that to, well, what's it take to get somebody to review the policy? It's very inexpensive to get a legal review of an insurance policy. And quite frankly, it saves you a lot of money in the long run. You can review it 1 year, you can improve it 1 year. We keep a list of what didn't get done from the previous year. You go the next year, you say, here's the 3 things they need to add on. And over time, you move that policy to perfection. You're never going to get to that perfection by just letting the insurance company dictate what the language should be. So our goal when we review insurance policy is to move them to perfection over time. So for example, we'll put out a list of 10 things. These are the 10 things we want. The insurance broker takes those 10 things, goes to the insurance company. The insurance company says, we'll give you 5 or 6, but we're going to hold back a little bit. So what will happen is we'll get 6 changed endorsements. We'll get those, we'll review them, all good. You know what? The coverage was here, now it's here. So it's getting better, but it's not here. So then the next year, very short job for us, but we know what the other 4 things were that need to be done. They're using the same form, same endorsements. Hey, it's renewal time, what should we do? Well, we had 4 things from last year. Let's give them the 4 things, see if they can move them. So then the second year, the carrier says, oh, we'll give you 2 of those 4. So we're even getting closer to perfection. And then the third year, maybe some case law that comes out that just basically negates all kinds of areas of coverage, and we need a big thing done. And we may ask for that, and on top of that, just do those other 2 that were hanging out there. And the insurance company will say, well, we get it. You caught the big thing, we'll give you that, but those other 2 are still out there. But at any rate, it's not every year costs as much as the initial year. It's a process moving things to perfection. When we do it for clients over a period of time, if they have a claim, they're much better off. They don't have to worry about spending millions of dollars on lawyers to handle that claim because the insurance company steps up to the plate and pays it. Why? Because they have good paper, good language. The language is what controls. If the language is good and the underwriters accepted it, oftentimes they'll pay the claim.